So I'm walking around at the local Walmart because it was Mary's company's Christmas party. So she needed to pick up just some makeup-y stuff or whatever it is. And I saw this. I saw this, right? Check that out. This is what I saw. This got kind of announced, I don't even know how long ago it was. Now, probably like last Christmas maybe, and I was like, oh, that's really cool, and I wanted to buy one. And then of course the day that they were available to be bought in Canada, of course you couldn't get one anywhere, they were just gone. But there was like, I don't know, 4 or 5 of these sitting at the local Walmart. So I was like, yeah, I want that to put back here, because sometimes I'm working down here for hours and maybe I don't want to go upstairs to get a beverage. Yeah. It's a fridge. Oh yeah. Let's take a look. Okay, I have my top camera, and I don't know. There it is, right? Xbox Series X replica. Where am I? Replica. Mini fridge. What does that say? Thermoelectric cooler. Oh yes, it's a 1.2 to 1 scale, so it's actually really close. Now, it does say at the bottom here, great addition for your gaming area, which is, this is kind of that, I guess. Portable design, perfect for car, RV, or truck. Includes USB port for charging. 4.5 liter capacity. They do say that it should be able to fit like 8 cans. So, you may be able to see that here, maybe, somewhere. I'll turn that. You know, so 2 going like in, 2, 4, and then 4 face up, I guess. So be it. Interior snack shelf. So you could just put snacks on there if you wanted. And there it is, just like the Xbox. Got a little USB port on the front. I was hoping it would light up. But what I'm thinking I might do, because I have my actual Xbox. You guys see it right there? Right there. There it is. There's my Xbox right there. I was thinking, depending, maybe I would put it over there somewhere on the other side, depending if it will fit or not, and then take one of my little LED lights and just kind of stick it to the back, and then like have a green light coming out the back, so it's like fancy, right? Anyways, let's take a look. I'm gonna have to put it down low for this, pretty sure. Okay, so you get the Xbox Series X instruction manual. My hope is that it's like plug it in, because it's kind of like a fridge, right? It looks like it has both, I think, like a 12 volt for the car and some for the house, which is excellent. It does say the Xbox logo LED light. Scan the QR code to register, right? Okay, and that's kind of it. Sweet deal, sweet deal. And then that's what I wanted. Is it one of those purchases that everybody needs? No, probably not very many actually, but it's pretty cool for like your man cave or your gaming room or your studio room like this, right? Check it, check it, check it. So there's the front. So it is bigger for sure than an actual like Xbox, right? It's not a lot bigger, but it's bigger, you know? Something's making a noise down there. I don't know if this lights up. We're gonna get the power plug and we're gonna find out. These are little buttons, right? There's your little USB port down here. This would be a pretend optical drive, and hello. You guys see? See that? Right? There you go. Oh, the cables are inside. And so there's like the little snack drawer right there. And then this are your, what does that say there? Attention, do not block ventilation. Do not immerse in water. That seems like something reasonable to say, you know? Okay, so we do have standard, where am I? Standard cable, which is excellent. And then we have a car cable. Sweet. Let's close this up just so we can get a tour. So it's got a snap to it for sure, but it's a, I would almost hope that it was like almost magnetic, but it's fine. It's fine. It does have the same little indent on the top. You kind of see it right there, right? That little indent. That's going to be like where your fan and everything kind of is right back there. That's a cool shot right there. It's like the Borg. And then over here, this is your door opener. On the back, what do you have here? You have DC, AC, on, off.
Okay, I found this on the web for on.
She's talking. I didn't ask her to do anything. And then a whole bunch of like fake ports back here, right? You got all the fake. There's nothing. And then on this side, nothing. And then on the bottom, feet. There's feet. Okay, let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. We're going. Maybe my table's a little wonky. I'm doing this. The bottom pads are very squishy. You guys see these pads? Look at this. I'm gonna go to this one right here. Maybe you could. I'll do this one. It's like super squishy pads. It's different. My table may not be perfectly level. Oh no, it feels level there. Maybe it was just closer to the edge. Okay, let's undo this and plug it in. I'm really more curious about if anything is gonna light up. That's really what I'm mostly curious about. So let's plug you in there. Wrap that around. This is going into this fella. Oh, it does light up. That guy lights up. Oh, and something on the top lights up. I'm getting you close. I don't know what the top lights are for, but it does light up. It's got a little bit of light. Maybe that's because now my fridge says off, and if I did this, ready, on, you get a fan. Yeah, you guys hear it? Right? There's a fan. That's what's keeping your beverages cool. And then this, oh, that turns the light on and off. Okay, sweet. This one? The top light. Okay, that's cool. So top light on and off. Xbox light on and off. Well, I want them on. Of course I do. Why would I want them off? That seems silly. And then open it up. Oh, and you get an inside light. Again, not crazy bright, but it's there. All right, that's cool. That's all right. And you can already feel some coolness. It's gonna definitely take a little bit of time for it to cool anything down, especially with me continually opening the door and looking inside it. All right, guys. Walmart, 99 bucks Canadian. 99 bucks Canadian because they were $99 US. So 99 bucks Canadian at Walmart. Yeah, at least here in Canada, you can get them. That's cool, right? All right, guys, you're going to see that in the back in future episodes. Oh, yes. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and head to Walmart, I guess. Maybe. Take a look. Later, guys.